Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you 10 delicious and healthy chia seed dishes that will help you in your weight loss journey. Chia seeds are packed with numerous health benefits, making them an ideal addition to your diet. So, let's dive right in. 1. Chia seed peanut butter bowl. Start with a base of rolled oats. Top with chia seed pudding made with yogurt and chia seeds. Add some crunchy almonds, a smidge of peanut butter, and finish it off with a drizzle of honey. This recipe is vegan and gluten-free, perfect for a filling breakfast. 2. Chia seed smoothie. Blend together 1 cup of frozen mixed berries, 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, and a spoonful of chia seeds. You can add some honey or agave to sweeten it up, and garnish with a handful of fresh berries if desired. 3. Chia seed, apple, and banana smoothie. In a blender, add 1 sliced apple, 1 sliced banana, 1 cup of almond milk, and a spoonful of chia seeds. Blend everything together until smooth, and pour into a glass. Finish it off with a drizzle of honey or agave. 4. Chia seed, avocado, and egg salad. Whisk together 1 cup of chopped mixed greens, a half-ripe avocado, a handful of chopped cherry tomatoes, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Toss everything together with a light dressing of lemon juice, olive oil, and salt. 5. Chia seed, veggie, and quinoa bowl. Start with a base of veggie greens, like spinach or kale, and add cooked quinoa, chickpeas, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. Top it off with a creamy avocado sauce and enjoy. 6. Chia seed cake. Mix together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a half cup of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Pour the batter into a greased cake pan and bake for 25–30 minutes at 350 F 175 C. 7. Chia seed pudding. Mix together 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of milk, 1 can of chickpeas, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and a pinch of salt. Stir everything together and refrigerate overnight. Top with some fresh fruit and enjoy. 8. Chia seed, yogurt, and fruit plat. Layer a cup of plain Greek yogurt, a cup of chia seeds, and a handful of fresh fruit, such as berries or kiwi, in a mason jar. Seal it up and leave in the fridge overnight. In the morning, enjoy a refreshing and healthy snack. 9. Chia seed crackers. Mix together a half cup of rolled oats, a half cup of chia seeds, and a pinch of salt. In a food processor, add in the oats and chia seeds, and process until they form a coarse crumb. Use as a crunchy snack or add to your favorite salads. 10. Chia seed, smoothie, and banana bowl. In a blender, add 1 cup of frozen mixed berries, 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, and a spoonful of chia seeds. Blend everything together until smooth, and pour into a to-go glass. Finish it off with a drizzle of honey or agave, and enjoy on the go.